10 Bright Ideas. Garrett Morgan helped cars go slow with red and yellow lights that glow. His traffic signal keeps streets bright, stopping cars to make things right. Madam C.J. Walker. Madam Walker had a dream. Hair care products made to gleam. She built a business strong and tall and proved hard work can conquer all. Garrett Morgan helped cars go slow with red and yellow lights that glow. His traffic signal keeps streets bright, stopping cars to make things right. Lonnie Johnson. Lonnie Johnson liked to test. His water blaster was the best. Kids splash high in summer heat. Science made that fun complete. Lewis Latimer helped lights shine bright, improved the bulb to glow at night. Now homes and streets are lit with cheer, thanks to ideas he brought here. Mary Brown looked at her door, wanted safety and much more. She made cameras to help us see. Home security for you and me. Elijah McCoy made engines run with oil cups that got the job done. Trains moved fast along the track. His smart designs kept them on track. Dr. Babb helped people see with laser tools for surgery. She gave the gift of sight once more, opening hope like a door. Mark Dean worked with computers fast, helping technology grow and last. The PC tools we use today were shaped by his smart way. 10 bright minds, 10 ways to shine, 10 great dreams that changed their time. Invent, imagine, build, create. Your bright idea could be the next great.